Secret number 7. Manage your time well. The secret to achieving your goals is time management. Create a to-do list and prioritize the items on it to get started. Set time restrictions for each work and break up major activities into smaller, more manageable parts. You should schedule time for tasks that require your complete focus, like studying or working on a project, and allow yourself breaks in between so you don't become overburdened or exhausted. To help you stay on track, you can also employ technology like timers or calendar reminders. Moreover, to make the goal seem less overwhelming, try creating a realistic time frame for completing it by splitting it into smaller parts over time. When someone asks you to do something that doesn't fit into your schedule, learn to say no. It's better to concentrate on doing one thing exceptionally well than to try to do many things simultaneously and do none of them well. Secret number 8. Handle fear and anxiety. Yet, fear and anxiety do not have to be crippling. Fear and worry can spur us to action and help us accomplish our goals if we approach them in the proper way. The first step is realizing that fear is a normal reaction to the unknown and is frequently brought on by ambiguity or ignorance. Understanding the causes of our anxiety will help us begin to develop coping mechanisms. Cognitive restructuring, challenging your negative beliefs with positive ones, is one strategy for managing anxiety and terror. Concentrate on the best outcome rather than what could go wrong. Creating good coping mechanisms can also aid in reducing anxiety and fear. Activities like deep breathing exercises, mindfulness exercises, or physical activity can alleviate stress when you're feeling overburdened. Last but not least, remember to take care of yourself. A little additional sleep or a day off can go a long way toward reducing your anxiety. Secret number 9. Stay motivated. In order to fulfill our dreams, it is imperative that we never lose motivation. To do this, we must set reachable, realistic goals and treat ourselves to rewards along the way. Also, we need to adopt a positive outlook on realizing our goals and refrain from comparing ourselves to those who may have done so more swiftly or effortlessly than we have. But acknowledging that everyone's journey is unique and keeping our attention on our own advancement rather than getting disheartened by others' triumphs might be challenging at times. Also, it's critical to look after your physical and mental health so you can maintain your energy and motivation despite obstacles or failures along the path. Taking pauses, sleeping, exercising regularly, eating healthily, and doing things you enjoy all help to keep your motivation levels high so you can achieve your goals. Finding an accountability partner who can assist you stay on track with your objective throughout the process is also beneficial. Secret number 10. Learn and adapt. Learning and adapting are two of the most crucial keys to achieving your goals. You will encounter many difficulties and impassable barriers during your life. The best method to deal with these problems is to take lessons from them and modify your tactics as necessary. When something goes wrong or could have gone better, take the time to evaluate it and determine what went wrong. By doing this, you'll be able to learn new strategies and techniques that you can apply to circumstances like this in the future. In order to develop personally, you should also be open-minded enough to accept criticism and feedback. Success in every activity depends on your ability to adapt your plans in the face of fresh knowledge or creative concepts. Secret number 11. Get creative. Realizing your dreams requires creativity. Consider innovative approaches to tackling problems and locating the resources you require to make them a reality. Be willing to consider all options and widen your horizons. Create a list of concepts and hunt for unusual answers. When presented with a difficult issue, make an effort to think creatively and generate novel ideas that might accelerate your progress toward your objectives. Don't be afraid of creativity. It has the capacity to transform our way of thinking and open up new vistas. Make use of tools like books, online courses, seminars, or mentors who may help you advance your talents and offer new insights on how to realize your life's goals. Making your ideas come true will require letting go of antiquated ways of thinking and adopting creative approaches, but doing so will ultimately be worthwhile. Secret number 12. Persevere. The secret to success and accomplishing your goals is perseverance. It demands commitment, diligence, and hard work. Regardless of how challenging or terrible the circumstance may be, persistence enables you to hang in there and keep moving forward until you achieve your goal. Perseverance enables you to keep your eyes on your objective and come up with original answers to any issues that crop up when challenges cross your path or events don't go as planned. Though initially intimidating, it also makes us feel accomplished because we were able to persevere in the face of difficulty. In addition, conquering challenges develops character and resilience that will benefit us in all future pursuits. Never give up and persevere. Everything is attainable with enough effort and resolve. Acting is what it all comes down to in the end. Until we take action to turn our dreams into reality, they remain just that, dreams. It is crucial to keep in mind that success can come slowly and that there might be setbacks along the way, but if you stay committed to your objective and keep up your efforts, it will happen. At challenging circumstances, having a strong network of dependable friends and family who trust in you helps keep you motivated. Finally, it will help us develop as people and improve our plans for accomplishing our goals if we can learn from our failures and triumphs. Making any desire come true is achievable when using this approach. We appreciate you watching this video. For more videos like these, kindly subscribe right away. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop a message below.